Welcome back of Office Executives. In this particular Excel video, I will be discussing over conditional sum, that is based on some criteria. The sum would the sum of some cell values would only be done based on some criteria. So I can use SUMIF. So in SUMIF, I need to select the range. So range is the okay. So the range. This is the range. This is the range, and here the criteria is maybe north. I want to find the value for north section, and the sum range will be the cell value. Fine, and braces close and hit enter. Is 417. So instead of using SUMIF, there is another function DSUM. So let me write here, this is SUMIF equal to SUMIF. This is the SUMIF function. Fine. So now I'll be using the function equal to DSUM. So how to use it? Now to do DSUM, I need another helper column, maybe in this column F. So I'll be writing zone and north. So equal to DSUM. So it is showing database. Mind it that whenever we wrote SUMIF, it was telling the first parameter as the range, but here it is asking the database, which means that I need to select this whole of the database, the whole of the table. Next is the field. So the field is north and north. The field is, if the criteria matches, then which field it needs to add up. So field is the sales column, and the criteria is here in this separate. This is the criteria, these two cells, zone north, braces close, enter, 417. So before ending the video, I'll be again doing the both of the function. So in SUMIF, notice the change. It is asking for range. So as you all know that there are cell reference and cell range. So cell range is this one, within this range, and the second condition is the criteria. Within this range, if it finds the value for north, then it would add the value for the cells and braces close, enter. But in DSUM equal to DSUM, it is asking the first parameter to be the database. So database is not range. Database means the whole of the table. You need to select the whole of the table, comma, and the field is the name of the column over which the summation is to be done. It is to be done within cells. This is the name of the column, and the criteria is in here, zone north. Let me close the braces and hit enter. It's 417. We can sort this data. So short from, okay, so zone short from A to Z. So here is the north data, and the north are, these are the three data are the north, and in the status bar it is showing 417. So the answer is coming properly, and it is up to you which one would you prefer. Now for SUMIF also, within this particular parameter I passed a static value north. I can change it also. Instead of selecting this north value, what I can do is that I can select this cell and hit enter. Now if I change the value from north to east, both of the values would change. It's 174. So SUMIF, the parameter or the structure or the way how the SUMIF works is a little bit of different than that of DSUM, but both we can use both of the functions to achieve the same result. That's all for this short video. Thank you all guys, and see you again for some